today I received my Boxycharm. This is a friggin' huge box. Like, I'm so excited. I've actually had this for like a couple of days, but I had so many other videos that needed to get up, like my spoilers, that I can't miss. So I kept putting it aside, and my daughter's already opened it and like peeked through it, but I haven't gone through it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through it with you because I'm really excited. Like, just take a look at this. This is huge. And I'm always very happy with everything that comes in here. So it's like, how many times more than this box? This is crazy. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I have, which I don't know why I'm even saying, because a lot of my videos I don't have makeup on because I do my videos like at 12, 1 o'clock at night. And yeah, I just don't want to put makeup on that late. But purposely, I went ahead and I cleansed my face and I did all that good stuff because there's something in here that I'm going to want to try versus the makeup. So I'm really excited for that item. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Oh my God. This thing is huge. I don't even know how I'm going to show you. This is like super sized. Oh my goodness. Like as big as my head. Like, this is huge. I'm just at awe with all this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the theme. It is "'Tis the Season." Like, it's a summer Christmassy thing, and I really like that. So the first thing I'm pulling out, I'm just going from top to bottom, is this is one of the items that we were able to choose between one and another item, and that is the flat iron. And it comes with this little case, so when it's hot, and this is the perfect size to travel with. Perfect. Okay, yeah, this is tiny. It does have the on and off switch. It doesn't look like it has like a set, so it's set at probably one temperature. It doesn't have a temperature adjustment, but this is so cute. And this is perfect because my hair's already straight, so if I just need to, sometimes I get like the little cowlick in the back, little quick stuff like that, I can totally use this. This one I was really excited. But then when I saw that people were getting it in the regular box, I was kind of like hurt because I didn't feel very special. I thought it was really going to be just for this box, but it's okay. Everyone can share the love. But I was really hurt. That retailed for 75 bucks. The next thing I have is from Spenjoli. I never know how to say this. I've already received one of these in my FabFitFun box. I actually received a couple of them, and I loved it. It's a diffused buffer, and it has the body wash already infused into the bar. It smells so good. This is Blossom Bliss. I haven't tried this one. Oh, it smells so good. It's so clean. So you just wet it and you use it. It has like, kind of like scrubs your skin. You just buff out your skin. Then when you're done, you wring it out. And then you put it somewhere to dry. You don't make sure it consistently gets wet. You do want to make sure it dries, and you can use it. I think it's like around 30 times or something. It can last you a month. This one shows a retail value of $20. And then next we have from Luxy brushes. It's a complete face set. That is really pretty. I love those brushes. I love Luxy. Okay, so this retails for $65. So that is another awesome. Because normally when I'm in subscription boxes, I'll get like 3 or 1. No, you're getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. From Wander Beauty, this is the Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. But this is a really pretty palette. It has an okay mirror. I did see a couple of reviews on the palette, and the main thing people were complaining about were the way that the palettes were shaped. How these are rectangle versus circle, which on camera they look like they're small. It's an okay size. I don't see it being a problem or anything to complain about. It really doesn't bother me. Starting from top to bottom, you have Tuscan Sun, Havana Nights, and City Lights. So Tuscan Sun on me would be more of maybe a shimmery blush or like a blush topper. But I think somebody with a beautiful, deeper skin tone, this might make a really good highlight. Then, of course, Havana Nights is definitely a blush for me. And then you have City Lights, which is a highlight shade. But it doesn't stop there. These look like they would be really gorgeous eyeshadows as well. So I like this palette. There was a lot of people who didn't really care for it. Though I haven't tried it yet. In this video, I'm not going to do any try-ons like I normally do just because it's late. And I did prepare my face for something else that was in this box, or that's in the box. So I'll actually use this in a tutorial coming up as well, so I can actually give you my full review. And that retails for $26. As you can tell, I have this cough. I get it like every 6 months, it seems like, and I have it for 6 months. So half of the year I have this sore throat and this cough, and I just can't get rid of it. So right now I'm in the phase where I'm losing my voice. So just bear with me, please. So this is a little hand clutch. It's Glam AF. When this was released as a spoiler, I was like, oh, cute. But then when I seen this little baby in here, I was like, oh, I was so excited. Okay, so this would be the one for my iPhone. And then this one would be for like the regular Android. So it looks like you're able to use it for both. The only thing I'll tell you, this does feel a little plastic comparing to the other ones that I've had. They're more solid. I did see reviews of people complaining that theirs wasn't working or it started melting. So I don't know. Hopefully I don't have that problem, and I will definitely keep you updated. So the wristlet and the portable charger together retails for $22. So that's everything on the top layer, and as you can see, there's stuff in the bottom layers. So we're gonna go ahead and get into that. Okay, next we have the Lorac Los Angeles. This is the Prime Mascara Duo. On this side, the blue side, it's marked blue, and that is for the Prime. And then on the other side is the mascara. I think I'm actually going to use this as a stocking stuffer for my daughter. Okay, so that, and the mascara retails for $24. And this is the Violet Boss Pro Shadow Palette. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, but I'm not going to swatch it. Okay, I just can't get this out. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe if I just push it. Okay, yeah, it's coming out. Okay. Oh my goodness. People complain that sometimes the items in Boxycharm don't come packaged, and I totally don't mind because of issues like that. Ooh, this is a really nice mirror. This is nicer in person than it was on the video, my spoiler video. Ooh, this is okay, I don't want to blind anyone, but this is a really big mirror. These are really pretty. I'm excited to try this. Oh no, in the camera, like, it doesn't do any justice. In person, these are beautiful. I think these colors right here are just calling my name. Especially like these shimmers right here. And then like using this as the darker shade in my crease. With that, oh my goodness, I can do so many looks with this palette. I'm definitely going to do a tutorial on this and come up with some look. Okay, and that retails for $45. Okay, now this is the product that I was really excited for. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Anti-wrinkle day cream. Oh, day cream. For fine lines and wrinkles. Firm, smooth, and hydrate. Aww. Well, I guess I can still try it. It's day cream, but I thought it was going to be something for night. I don't know why. So it looks like you get quite a bit in here. Oh, honey. Yeah, you don't really get a lot. If you can tell, like that hole all the way around is like just thick. It's really only like that big. So that's like maybe a 50 cents piece or smaller. 1 fluid ounce. So it's only 1 ounce. It just smells like face cream. Some moisturizers, they feel a little sticky or they feel too watery. No, this one feels good. And I know this was a lot. I don't remember the price, but I know it was pretty pricey. $89. So that's a small little jar for $89. I would definitely not buy it for $89. So that's why I was really excited, and I'm glad I get stuff like this in subscription boxes, especially Boxycharm, because these are definitely items that I would not purchase on my own. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't purchase it on my own. Okay, that's it. I have one thing left, and the party's over. Okay, this is the Tartiste Shimmering Lip Paint. I've seen some people get like a really nice shimmer, like nude or like gloss, and I was really excited for that. Ooh, but I do like this one. I love reds and like pinkish colors. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, and I love the packaging. I'm so excited. I know I don't have makeup on, but we're just gonna try it. Okay, so it's not. It smells like a baked good, like vanilla, like a vanilla cake. I don't know. Good. Okay, so it's not as bright. I was thinking it was gonna come on all thick and bright, but it's actually not. And it feels like gloss. It doesn't feel sticky, because I've tried sticky where your lips stick together. It doesn't feel that way, but it does feel like a gloss, a lip gloss. I was just checking to see if it tasted anything, and it doesn't have no taste, but it smells good. The glitter lip paint retails for $20, so that's pretty good. Oh, one thing I forgot to check, and I always forget, is I got box variation 3. If you're interested, I tend to always get 3, so that I know. I just tend to always get 3. And then from Illumis, I'm gonna say it wrong, there's a coupon for 15% off. But honey, I would need more than 50% off to repurchase this. Even if I love it, I need more than 15%. Okay, that's it. The excitement's over. I got a lot of stuff. I got an eyeshadow palette. You got something to wash your body with. You got, your makeup. You got your face products for the morning. You got stuff to do your hair. And then you have, when all that's done, you have something to go out in and continue enjoying your box the rest of the day with your new little bag and charger. So I really like this box. I'm so sorry, my voice is like, I feel like I'm growling. There's so many people that complain that they didn't like the box, but you can't make anybody happy. I mean, just getting this alone, even just getting this together, I mean, I don't even know what item to pick out, like, to compare it to, because I liked everything. The palette and the brushes, or if you like the brushes and here, it really didn't matter. You pick a couple items and it exceeds the box. So how can you hate it? I don't understand that. Okay, I had to pick something I didn't really care for, and that was the mascara, but you could always use a mascara. So if I had to pick the one thing, it would have been this. That would have been like, but other than that, I liked everything, because this just turned into a stocking stuffer. Let me add it all up and see what the value is. Where's that? That darn pamphlet was so big. How do I lose it? Okay, I'm not sure if I added that right. I think it's like around $3.76 that I got. That was the value of this box. So almost $400. This is totally worth it. I'm so excited that they are doing this every 3 months and not every month, because then I would totally not be able to afford it. But it gives us something to be excited for. Okay, guys, so that's all I have for you for today. Let me know, did you get your box? Are you still on the waiting list? I don't even think they have a waiting list anymore. What items did you get? What did you love? Are you one of the people that didn't really care for the box? Because you got to explain to me why you don't like it. Because I just completely don't understand why people would say they don't like the box. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've already have spoilers for the January regular Boxycharm box already out, and there's gonna be so many more coming up, and you don't want to miss them, so this is the place you want to get them. I think it's like already like almost 2 o'clock, and I have work at 7 a.m. So I need to go to sleep. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.